Hi, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. The purpose of this video is to show you how to unbend a tube with the components following. In this case, I've got a tube with some brackets and an end component, and I'll show you how to do what I've done here. Once this is completed, you can easily export this out, for example, to a step file, and then import it into any solid modeling program that accepts step files. Let's start by clearing the project. Going to the Import/Export menu here, click on Import Step, double-click on the first path in VTube Path Manager. Find the file called Model Sample 2b2.stp. Over here on the right side of VTube-STEP, click on Collect. Make sure the spinner wheel says Straight from Cylinder Surface. Click on both checkboxes, reset the straight to 1, and then add a cylinder surface to the collection. This is a guide box up here, and it's going to always show us what to do next. So I'm going to click on this first straight right here, and then the second straight. It's okay to get the inner wall. I'm going to be careful to miss the brackets and any other components that are on the tube that don't define the tube shape. Now, in order to stop the collection process for the tube, I'm going to right mouse button click. Right now it's expecting the 8th straight, but there is no 8th straight. So I'm going to right mouse click in the blue viewport. And now I want to collect the components. So we go to the collect control like this. In the spinner wheel we find component from surface or solid. Collect solids rather than surfaces, because in this case it's faster. We want to collect this entire solid, and this one, and this one. We also want to be careful to associate each one with the proper straight. So I'm going to start by setting this to straight 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4 is the straight that this bracket is associated with. So now what I'm going to do is click on Add a Surface, and I'm going to click on this, and you can see that it added it over here as a component. Now we need to move to the 6th straight to select this bracket. Now I'm going to go 1 straight higher to select the end component. And I'm finished. So I'm going to right mouse button click in the blue viewport to stop that collection process. Now VTube is going to take all of these patches here, and it's going to calculate the center line. And that's going to enable us to do some unbending. So I'm going to right click on the blue viewport, click on Rebuild Tube Model from Collected, and now we have XYZ centerline data here, and we have bender data here. Right click on the bender data, click on All Unbend Flags On, press the F2 to redraw, press F3 to zoom all. And that's how you do it. It's that simple. Now, there's one other feature that I'd like to show you that I think could be very useful for applications where you want to get to this configuration before you begin bending the tube. What you'll want to do is go into Part Setup and take into account tube elongation. For example, 4 to 6 or maybe 8%. So I'm going to press F2 again, and there we have a tube that's shortened in order to compensate for pre-bending elongation. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at michael.cohn@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.